Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily upgrade your MacBook to macOS Big Sur. So after you successfully download it, you will see here upgrade now. So just tap here and you will see this window. Just tap on continue. So just choose agree. Tap on agree. Here you need to choose your hard drive you want to install this operation system. So here you can see that we need to connect our computer to power source. So just wait, I will do it. So now I will connect my laptop. So now you just need to enter your password. And just tap on OK. So here you can see that it will take about 15 minutes for installing it, and after you will be able using this system and just try it. I hope you will like it. So just try. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.